and it's called the nearly impossible gap. So here's some things you're gonna need. You're gonna need the boards. If you haven't seen my explanation of how these were built, go back. It was the previous week's video, or if you're watching this way down the line, just go do a search for the Build Your Own Beam on my channel or website. So it should be under Phys Ed Hacks. But we got a bunch of these spread down the middle, and then I put out some tubs so we can kind of make those a little further apart. So we have a gap here, and then we have gaps underneath the beams. We're also using bean bags and beanbag scarves. Now when we use beanbag scarves, we tell the kids to hold the beanbag part, because when they hold the scarf part, it tends to tear and rip up towards the beanbag. So we tell them make sure they hold the beanbag. We are working on the motion like we are if we're rolling. You can also do it like a backhand motion for frisbee, but we are using this activity for rolling the ball or underhand throw, making sure it's sliding on the ground. So the students are playing this one by themselves. We scattered this whole area. We'll have a bunch of beanbags and beanbag scarves for them to choose from. They come out, they pick one, and then we had them go back to the black line. And this is where they slide it on the ground. So it goes underneath through the boards. So it went underneath the board, I got 1 point. So then I come out and I pick another one. Whether I get the same one or find a new one. Let's say I want a new one. This time I'm going to use beanbag stuff. So then I get it, I can return back to the side, or I can go on the opposite side to roll the beanbag on the ground. Okay, mine did not go through a gap, so I don't get any points. We also told the kids that if it happens to go through the gap between the tub and the board, they got 3 points, because that's a little bit tighter window. And how close you want to make this, you can make this as tight as you want. You got them older kids, you want to make a challenge, get it really close for them. Make it really challenging, make it worth that 3 points. So the kids just kind of collected, kept track of themselves. If you want to use something else for your point system, feel free to do so. I hope your students will enjoy this one. I'm Coach Pirillo, reminding you to keep on moving.